Good morning, everybody. I'm recording this for the second time. The first time, I know what happened, but it didn't really save. That kind of suck. But let's just get to the point. Oh my god, I have to repeat myself for at least 5 minutes. I have to remember what I said. Let's see. I don't use a script, I just tell you what I think. Okay. So, what happened yesterday? Yesterday, Bitcoin pumped. And I did mention that in one of my ideas. I said pop or drop Bitcoin. I made an X. That wasn't a stop loss. That guy, I know what's wrong with that guy. He didn't get it. That guy, Alejandro 305. Come on, man. He's like, stop loss triggered. I know what the hell you're talking about, dude. Can you read English? Read English. You cannot read English? I said it's a warm up. You don't know what a warm up means? Warm up means this is if it's going up a little bit, then it's going to go up a little more. I said, this is not the one we're looking for because I did mention this. I'm the guy who, on March 25th, 3 weeks ago, made a 13-minute video giving you something really interesting that you need to all follow me right now for. You have to follow me right now just for this freaking video. Here on the YouTube too, Chemastro, you're gonna find me on YouTube. Thank you for following me on Trading View. I'm seeing more followers, but I want to be followed on YouTube too. Okay. Once I get 1,000 followers, I'm gonna be making more videos. I'm gonna show you also. I don't know, a nice studio and everything. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be getting a little more. Anyhow, so I did say I using astrology, which is extremely powerful tool I use. I did going back in history, and I did find that May 21st, 2019 to June 15th, 2019 is kind of 60 to 80% similar to what we're going through now. So I made some predictions. I put some lines I haven't touched till now, I swear. I said the first line is March 26th. It should go up a little down. You can even see in that nice arrow. Then it's gonna consolidate. They're gonna go up, and instead of consolidating and went a little down because something happened here, I didn't really. Yeah, something happened, which is the Binance was getting attacked, and a lot of people took their money from Binance, which couldn't drop the Bitcoin, but it continued what we did, and it kept going a little up. Then I said once we get from March 28th up to April 12th, it's just going to be consolidating. If you're going to look at this beautiful looking, attractive arrows, down, up. Oh, there's a big difference between the up and up. And that's what I meant by the warm up. If this is an up, then this is an up. You see the difference in the tone? Up. So down, up. So that's what I meant by the warm up. What you have seen yesterday is just a warm up. The breakout should happen April 12th. And interestingly enough, why did I pick April 12th, by the way? I did pick April 12th because of this guy. This guy was, if you pay attention to the number here, 29th degree. Once it switched to 0 degree, that's a good sign. That should happen actually today. But I want to see that one. One is more powerful. When is one? 100%. One is tonight. But tomorrow. So yeah, maybe tonight. Maybe the Asian community, when they wake up in Asia, Hong Kong, Tokyo, whatever the hell, they gonna just start doing what they're supposed to do, which is put a lot of money in Bitcoin. But we still have the big news by the geeky, nerdy looking guy, Powell, that I dislike personally. It's okay to dislike people. You can dislike me too. That's fine. I don't like him. He's just a dumbass guy. He doesn't say anything interesting. He keeps saying stupid stuff. It doesn't matter what he's gonna say. It matters how we're gonna react. How gonna market's gonna react to what he's gonna say. Whatever he's gonna say, maybe he's gonna say something stupid about CBDC, the central bank digital currency, which is gonna enslave all of us, except for the ones that are smart enough to not put their money where they're gonna be monitored 24/7. You might be saying something dumb about crypto. You might not even mention crypto at all. You might see something stupid at interest rate. You might see anything stupid gonna make people triggered. It might say nothing, but people are gonna use this as an excuse to just go all the way up, and another people are gonna be jumping on the wagon, the bandwagon of just buying Bitcoin. So if I take a look at 8 a.m. 8:30 a.m. EST, oh my god, this is beautiful. This guy, Moon, in that degree, great sign. That guy I didn't mention on my YouTube channel that has been attacking Bitcoin for a week, last week, it will actually start to get away from that attack, this to that, tomorrow. Great sign. This thing turned into one. Great sign. I'm just seeing nothing but great signs. These two guys here, great signs. Okay, so I'm seeing blue lines, great signs. I'm not seeing as much red as we used to have. So definitely great sign. I'm seeing markets really positively reacting to this. That was a warm up just to grab attention. I already had it here. Up, up. So that was the warm up. You need to follow me right now just because of that amazing idea I posted March 25th and all the ideas I've been posting. You need to show me gratitude. And you need to keep me also live online because if I'm not getting enough recognition, then I'm just gonna get bored and stop posting anything anymore and just disappear. Okay. Uh, so definitely, I don't think Bitcoin will have to just pump today. We're waiting. Maybe gonna happen tonight. Mark my words. Maybe gonna happen tonight. The people in Asia might just start early. It might happen. One thing I want to mention is the a good thing happened here from a technical analysis point of view. There was like a little divergence between this high. No, maybe not from here, but there was the high here, and people were just feeling like the trend is just getting a little weaker. Maybe even you see it in the 4 hourly a little more easy. Like there was just like a falling. But yesterday's warm up was great because it kind of broke that divergence. So now we don't have any excuse. There's no excuse for Bitcoin to just break from that hideous resistance area from 30 to 31. It's hideous. It is disgusting. It is ugly. We're just at the top. People talk about like we already broke it. We didn't. We didn't. We haven't yet. Okay, because this is a nasty, disgusting, really resilient resistance area. Like we definitely have a head and shoulders, which is really good, but the head and shoulders can just stop here. Come on, like let's just be realistic. It can go all the way down back. It's possible. So we need to break that first from a technical analysis point of view. From an astrology point of view, we're definitely breaking that because it's just looking very good, very positive. But from a technical analysis point of view, somebody tell you, we already did it, we already made it, and they don't know what they're talking about. Unless you break that nasty, disgusting area that, yeah, sometimes it was support, sometimes when there was just a very interesting area. 31 to from the 30 to 31. Once you see Bitcoin here, 32, 33, we definitely made it. Okay. Even if I look at the pivot points, you're going to see there's a strong pivot point 32. You cross that to go 35, you're definitely in the safe zone. 35 is definitely the safe zone. This is definitely really good. We can even see some parabolic movements. Some parabolic movements. So Bitcoin is looking good. Ethereum is looking a little different because I'm seeing like a little divergence if I'm going to talk about the technical analysis. And I'm seeing like a little, I don't know if this is a Gartley or something, but there's like, it's not even divergence, no. I'm just seeing a little Gartley, which is a little weird, but might actually be rejected, might go a little down here today so it can go up again. It happens. A Gartley doesn't mean always it have to go all the way down. Totally fine. Dogecoin, the guy I'm keeping an eye on, just because of one reason. You're gonna ask me why are you caring about this? Because okay, two reasons. Number one, when Bitcoin goes up in a big movement like that, usually the biggest 5 to 10 altcoins going from Ethereum. Yeah, I consider Ethereum an altcoin. Altcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. What's the other ones? Cardano. There's the other thing, Mavic or something. All of these things will go up with Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? And all of them will have to reach like it's not going to be the same percentage. It's going to be the same momentum, reaching its own and technical levels. Okay, its own technical levels. So the next stop, if the next stop for Bitcoin should be the one that we're looking for, the 36. If I go one and another pivot point, that's two pivot points. That means for Ethereum, it should be one and another pivot point. So we're talking about 21. Is this the one we had before? Like, I want to be even look at the one they stopped at. Yeah, above that, which is going to be like maybe 21. That's correct. Maybe because see, Ethereum has the same disgusting area here too. You have to be above that area. So 21 is great. So we're talking about 21, maybe 21.5. If we're gonna talk about Dogecoin, okay, Dogecoin is a little weird. It's not following the same chart, but it also has its own pivot points. It also has its next target. The first target will be 0.94. The next target should be 0.10, which is make a high above that. So if Bitcoin gonna go up from here to the 35, right? What did we say? Yeah, that's 22%. Ethereum, very low, 13%. So if you put $1,000, you make 130. Dogecoin, look at that. Look at that. Much, 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 much more. If I go from here all the way up, 27%, 25%. It's actually similar to Bitcoin. I'm not sure. Like, this is interesting. Let's see. But anyhow, this is how you do it. No, no, no. No, Bitcoin is only, if we're going to 35, 20%. So Dogecoin is a little more than Bitcoin. It's definitely a little more. Might even go a little higher, but the next target we're looking for is going to be that 0.10 for Dogecoin. So yeah, I would put some money here. I'm not going to put all my money. All my money should be always put in Bitcoin and Bitcoin alone. If you have only $1,000, only put it in Bitcoin. It's the most safe thing. But if you have $100,000, you gotta buy a bunch of Bitcoins, and you're gonna have some extra cash in you. Have 10 grand. I don't know. Maybe let's put the allocation like that. 70% Bitcoin, maybe 30% put it into different, maybe 80% Bitcoin, 20% in altcoins, based on whatever you like. Some people really love Ethereum even more than Bitcoin. It's up to you. I don't like it that much. I still believe in Bitcoin in the long run. It's the only thing. But I think Dogecoin has a really great chance. And it seems like that guy, Elon Musk, love it too much. He's just gonna make a tweet here, there, blah, blah, blah. He might pump it up. Who knows? This other altcoin, Cardano, has also really interesting. It looks like a head and shoulder here. If it breaks it, can definitely go up to the 0.47. Let's take a look here. That might actually be a little better than Dogecoin. Nope. Still, Dogecoin has the biggest potential because it's like Bitcoin. It's gonna be 15%. If I go one, if you're gonna go two pivot points in the future. Okay, I think I was extremely thorough. I gave you some really good technical analysis. I gave you some insight into the future from astrology. Put your comments or your feedback in the comment section. Questions, whatever. Wait for more ideas. I still have a very long term idea in play for Bitcoin. I did mention some of it here. I want to talk more about it, but we gonna see. I just want to see that big number. Okay, show me 200 followers by end of week. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.